what's going on? This is Timmy D, and I'm here with Cali Swag District. How are you guys? You guys, I tell you, they have a lot of energy for being the fact that they just got in, and it's a red-eye flight. So I don't know how you do it. You got to teach me, what is it like to be in a band? What is it like to be, like, stars that you guys are in the hip-hop world? I mean, does it come with the territory, with the least amount of sleep? I mean, how do you deal with this?
I mean, it's what we signed up for, so we can deal with it. It's kind of like a learning process, but at the same time, it's like fun, and we experience so much stuff that we never thought we would get to experience. So it just turns out fun. And even though we barely get to sleep, we don't regret that because we're doing what we love. So we just have fun. Teach me how to play the game. They be like, oh, what? Can you teach me how to play it?
And one of the things that you always hear about, whether it's modeling, acting, whether it's in a band, musicians, you try so hard and so long, so constantly trying to get that break and that big break. And I get the feeling, from what I understand, that once you get it, it's just like a whirlwind. It never stops. So what is that transition like from going from trying to make it, then all of a sudden now you're here and you do make it?
Well, listen, I didn't expect it to be this much work. I thought it was going to be like, sound all fun, like we just going to have fun. Like, yeah, we about to just go rap, make money, and we just going to have fun. We're going to ball out. But nah, it's a lot of hard work, and it's like still a grind from like beginning to now. Like, we still grinding, so it's nonstop. We sleep when we dead, so we up.
You know why? Cause all the girls love me. Hey. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin', and for you to back it up and dump it.
What has been, I guess, the biggest change that you've seen since you guys have made it, whether it be, ladies, whether it be money, whether it be, less time, something that I guess has been one of your favorite benefits from being a part of this career?
I don't know. We're still the same. Nothing changed but the year and the time, our outfits. We're still humble people. Same dudes from Inglewood.
Yeah, there we go.
The ladies changed, though.
How is that? How did they change? They got better looking or just more frequency?
Better looking, everything in one, everything. It's just a beautiful sight in this world, man. That should travel. I'm telling you, you should travel.
Maybe I need to travel and become a singer. Maybe that might work for me.
Maybe you should just join the group. We just gonna you're a part of the Wolfpack now.
Yeah, that's right. I could be the fifth white guy or something. I could be one of the members. That works. Now, your biggest song is Teach Me How to Doogie. Is that right?
Cause all the girls love me. Hey. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin', and for you to back it up and dump it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that dirty ride. Ain't nobody sitting with my bro from Morningside. He go by Bubba and he hit that just like thunder. Okay, I am from Dallas, but I didn't tell Boogie. I show my moves on to everybody trying to do it. I lead the functions and all the ladies trying to scream it. Now you just do you, and I'ma do.
How many people have you had to teach actually how to doogie?
Everybody. We taught everybody how to doogie.
Well, hey, why don't you go ahead and show me how to do it real quick if you can.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Hey. Teach me how to play the game.
Wow, I like it.
That's cool. What? Can you teach me how to play the game? You know what? Cause all the girls love me. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin', and for
That's my hero.
you to back it up and dump it.
Can you teach any other dances, Macarena, or you just stick with that one?
They gon' be on you.
They're booked for parties, for mentions, whatever you need. They're ready, they're available.
I am from Dallas, but I didn't tell Boogie. I show my moves on to everybody trying to do it. I lead the functions and all the ladies trying to scream it. Now you just do you, and I'ma do it all day. Dudes love to hate, so they try to sue me. Females be trying to me. I think they try to glue me. I make the party shine bright when it started glooming. This beat was double done, so I had to do it.
Teach me how to judge. Teach me how to judge. Teach me how to judge. Teach me how to judge.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my dusty.
Teach me how to judge. Teach me how to judge. Teach me how to judge. Teach me how to judge.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my dusty.
The name is John. For them dudes who don't know me, I know I'm from the West, but I can teach you how to doogie. And step up in the club, and all these girls but me. Your boy dancing, none of them know me. I hear the squad singing like, hey, get it, Brody. Someone move my shoulders, then I take it real low. They like how we do that, they can doogie on the floor. Yeah, when your boy stop it like Dougie some more. I'm like your boy kinda tired, and my back to the bro and bro. So these cats try to do that. Down south bitch, so we learned to do too fast and brought it to the hood and got the whole crew cat.
Teach me how to judge. Dutch. Teach me how to Dutch. Teach me how to Dutch. Teach me how to Dutch.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my Dougie.
Teach me how to Dutch. Teach me how to Dutch. Teach me how to Dutch. Teach me how to Dutch.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my Dougie.
Back to the party, I don't really like the boogie. I'ma put up in the way and try to meet a red bone. She do a Dougie and every girl hating, but I'm thinking about escaping with her to head home. She got a friend, so it's the two men, and I wanna run it even if her legs long. She like you hubby, I think she love me, but I change the subject and I do my Dougie. All the bros call me lucky 'cause they see the girl I'm with and she ready, so we rushing. I turned off my kick 'cause I don't wanna hear no fussing. Cali Swag got them haters under their breath fussing. Nah, man, you can't tell me nothing. Star made the beat, I just took it out the oven. I just see the Dougie when everybody clubbing and they yell TNT.
They know we keep it bumping.
Teach me how to Dutch. Teach me how to Dutch. Teach me how to Dutch. Teach me how to Dutch.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my Dougie.
Teach me how to Dutch. Teach me how to Dutch. Teach me how to Dutch. Teach me how to Dutch.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my Dougie.